Hey ScoopBuddy fam. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying ahead of the competition means understanding the latest trends. Whether you're a startup or an established business, digital marketing is key to growth and success. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 digital marketing trends every business should know to thrive in 2024 and beyond. So let's dive right in. Trend 1, AI-powered marketing. The first trend is AI-powered marketing. AI is transforming the way businesses interact with customers, from personalized email campaigns to AI-driven chatbots that respond 24/7. Artificial intelligence helps companies analyze vast amounts of data to deliver targeted ads and personalized experiences. If your business isn't leveraging AI yet, you're missing out on faster, smarter, and more efficient marketing strategies. Trend 2, video content dominance. Next up, video content dominance. Video is the most engaging type of content across social media platforms. Whether it's short-form videos on TikTok and Instagram Reels or longer formats on YouTube, consumers prefer video content. Businesses that incorporate video marketing see higher engagement rates, better brand awareness, and increased conversions. If you haven't started using video content, now's the time. Trend 3, voice search optimization. Voice search optimization is another critical trend. With the rise of voice-activated devices like Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant, more consumers are using voice search to find businesses and products. Optimizing your content for voice search means targeting natural language and long-tail keywords. Businesses that adapt to this trend will have a competitive edge in search rankings. Trend 4, influencer partnerships. Continue to be a powerful digital marketing tool. Collaborating with influencers, whether big or small, allows businesses to reach new audiences in a relatable and authentic way. Micro-influencers in particular are becoming more popular as they offer higher engagement rates and can help businesses build trust with niche communities. Trend 5, social commerce. Finally, we have social commerce. Social media platforms are no longer just for engagement and brand awareness. Consumers can now make purchases directly from platforms like Instagram and Facebook. This seamless shopping experience allows businesses to capitalize on impulse buying while offering a more convenient shopping journey for customers. Integrating social commerce into your strategy can significantly boost your sales. Additional information. AI tools such as chatbots can manage customer support around the clock, enhancing user experience and allowing staff to focus on more complex tasks. Videos like tutorials, product demos, and customer testimonials build trust and keep audiences engaged. Voice search is tied to mobile friendliness, so optimizing your website for quick answers is crucial. Partnering with influencers who genuinely align with your brand values ensures authenticity and stronger audience connections. Social commerce offers direct shopping experiences on social platforms, streamlining the buying process and providing valuable consumer insights. And there you have it. The top 5 digital marketing trends every business should know. From AI-powered marketing to social commerce, these trends are reshaping the way businesses reach and engage with their customers. Start incorporating these strategies into your marketing plan, and you'll be on your way to a more successful year.